Good afternoon, children. Our today's topic is analogy in numbers. In previous classes, we have done analogy in letters, in alphabets. So today we will find out the analogy between the numbers. See, first is 60 is to 700, 70 is to 800, 80 is to 900, 40 is to dash. This we have to find out. Okay. So firstly we will check the analogy between this 60 is to 700. How we will find out this? 60 is to 700. Here is 6, then next number, forward counting. 1 0, now 2 zeros. The same digits are increased. 1, here is 1, same digit, and here same digit repeated twice. So by following this, firstly adding 1 in first digit or writing forward counting, writing its successor, and then one digit, and then digits are doubled here. So with this analogy we can come on our blank. We can find out the blank answer. So first clear. Now see here 70 and then 800. So 7 and its successor 8. 1 0, here 2 0. 8 its successor 9. 1 0 and then zeros are doubled. Here 4 its successor we will write 5. 1 0. Now we will write here 2 zeros. It become 500. So which option is right here? First is 400, B is, A option is 400, B option is 500. So our answer is B, 500. Clear? Now question number 2. 125 is to 521, 623 is to 326, 4 to 1 is to 124, 7 to 9 is to dash. This we have to find out. First one is 1 to 5 is to 5 1. Firstly we will find out the analogy between this, and then same will be applicable in all. So see this one, 1 to 5 is to 5 to 1. 1 to 5 is to 5 to 1. Check it very carefully what you have observed here. Here 1 to 5, it is the smallest number, and 521 it become the largest number. So what analogy we find here? The number was changed reverse order. In reverse order we have written the digit, or we have made its first number we have converted into largest number. So start writing from the last digit 5 2 1. thus इस नंबर का जो ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर है वो क्या बन गया 521. So it means we have to write first number change into greatest number. See here 125, its greatest number 521. 623, start writing from the last 3 2 6. So it's no, this analogy is not perfect here. Some other rule will be applicable. We will try to find out that one. Check 1 first, now first become last. Here is the reverse order only. What is followed here? Reverse order. Firstly last digit become first, 5, then 2, then 1. It means here only we have reversed the order. Last digit is 3 in this, so it become first, second remain same, and third become last. Here again we start writing from the last, become first, second, and this one third. Here also last digit is 9, so here 9 comes first, second digit as it is 2, and now at the last 7. So here only order is reversed. First become last, second place remains same, and last become first. So we have to start from the last only. Last we have to write first, second was same, and then third become first. Clear to you all? See the next question now. Question number 3. 215 is to 216, 816 is to 817, 192 is to 193, 704 is to dash. So firstly we will check the relation of analogy between first two numbers. 215 is to 216. See, first two digit same, only the last digit here we have written its successor plus 1. Third digit and next we have written its successor, or we have written next number to the given number. So now easily we can find out the analogy between other numbers. So this is clear to you. First two same and third successor. Here first two same and third digit successor. 6 का successor 7. Then first two again same and third digit successor, 2 का successor 3. Here in this blank first two digit will remain same. So what will be the answer? 7 0 same and 4 का successor 5. So answer is 705. So which option is right here? A, B or C? Yeah, C option is right. Now common question number 4. 2 is to 6, 10 is to 30, 40 is to 120, 100 is to dash. This we have to find out. So firstly we will check the analogy between this number. 2 is to 6. 2 3s are 6. So if we multiply 2 by 3 times 2, it will become 6. So what analogy we find out here? The given number is multiplied by 3. So it will be applicable in all. So in this way we can find out next analogy also. Next check करते हैं. 10 is to 30. It means 10 multiply by 3. Here 40 multiply by 3, 120. So same, and here 2 multiply by 3, we got the answer 6. So what will come here? Again 100 we will multiply by 3. The answer will be 300. So which is the correct option here? A, B, C or D? Our answer is 300. So option is D. So D option is right. Clear? Next question. Question number 5. 111 is to 110, 222 is to 220, 333 is to 330, 444 is to dash. We have to find out. Firstly, we will check the analogy between these. See how 110 is to 111 is to 110. What we have observed here, first two digits are same and third digit decreased. 1 is converted into 0. It means third digit will be converted into 0 and first two digit will remain same. So we find the analogy. This will be applicable in all. We will write first two digit as it is and third digit we will convert into 0. See here, first two digit 11 and 11 same and third converted into 0. Here first two same, third converted into 0. Again first two same, last converted into 0. So what analogy we find out for this? First two digit as it is and this we will convert into 0. So what will be our right answer, right option here? Answer is 440. So which option is right? First A, B, C or D? C option is right. Now question 6. 600 is to 700, 1100 is to 1200, 1500 is to 1600, 1700 is to dash. We have to find out. What happened here? 600 is to 700. So forward number by 100, forward counting by 100. It means we have added in given number, we have added 100. Same here, 1100 is to 1200. What added? Again given number may we have added 100. 1500 is to 1600. Again added 100. So here also 1700. We will add 100. It will become 1800. So which is our right option? A, B, C or D? Our answer is 1800. So which option is right here? D option is right. Next question 7. 11291, 11200, 11,291, 11,200. We will find out analogy between this. 11291 is to 11200. Observe it carefully. First three digits are same and last two digit, these are changed into 0. 9 is first digit, means first, second, third, fourth digit change into 0 and fifth digit also change into 0. So what is the analogy here? First three same, fourth digit and fifth digit change into 0. We will check in next. We'll check is the same analogy between. Next is 11,365 and 11,300 and 11,300. Is the same analogy between this? Yes. First three numbers same, fourth and fifth number converted into 0. So we will check the analogy between the full series, complete series. What is the analogy between these numerals? 21726. This we have to find out. First is 3 digit, same I will write, and next fourth will be 0, fifth will be 0. So what is our right answer here? Right option is B, 21,700. Clear? Now question number 8. Last question. 1 2 3 4 is to 4 3 2 1. 3 4 is to 4 3 2 1. Same as like the previous question we have done, only order is reversed. Firstly 4, then 3, then 2, and then 1. We will start writing from the back side. Next is, see the next one, B part. 7296 is to 6927. 7296 is to 6927. What happened? Start from the last, 6, then 9, then 2, and after that 7. One more thing we have observed here. Here first number is, here the answer we are getting, that is the greatest number. 1234, we have made the greatest number with this 4321. 7296, no, we are not making the greatest number, we are only changing the order. Only order is changed, greatest number we are not able to make. So last is becoming first, then second same, third same, and fourth goes to last position. What will come here? 9873 is to dash. Last comes on first position, 3. Then third comes on the second position, 7. Then 8, and at the end first goes to last position, 9. So right answer here 3789. Now we will check the option, which is the correct option here. Our answer is 3789. So A, B, which is right? A part is right. Clear? So in this way you can do practice of this today's work. I have sent you the worksheet that you will do in your notebook or do orally practice. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.